In this video, we are going to see how to install Mingw in Windows Mission. To get more updates on C programming language tutorials, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, let's start here with how to install Mingw in Windows Mission. So, first thing is, what is Mingw? Mingw stands for Minimalist GNU for Windows. Mingw contains freely distributable import libraries and header files for building native Windows application. Mingw is a supporting toolset for C and C++ programming language. So to work with C or C++ programming language, we need Mingw. If we have the Mingw, then we can use the Visual Studio tool to work with the C or C++ programming language. How to install Mingw? The first step is we need to download Mingw software from the website listed down here. So now let us copy the URL. Go to this particular website. And we can see here, right, Mingw get setup.exe. So we need to download this particular exe file. So the file is being downloaded. And we can see here, right, a Mingw exe file is downloaded into the downloads folder. So let us install the exe file now. We can see here, right, that the Mingw setup file is available. Now let us double click this particular exe file. Click on install, continue. So now the Mingw path will be set in the C drive. So it will take some time. So this is the Mingw installation manager setup tool. So here we will have the options to select whether we need a C program or a C++ programming language supporting files. So now processed 36 of 38 items, 94% has been completed, 42 of 43. And now we can see here, right, the continue button is enabled. So let us click the continue button. We can see here, right, the different options are available. If you select any one of the option, you will see the description, like what that particular package is, or what that particular file is available. If you see here, this is for this meta package contains the components necessary to create a relatively complete MSys installation. And this is a basic GCC installation. And this is for ADA language compiler. This is for Fortran. This is for C++. This is for Objective-C. So likewise, we will have multiple different programming languages that can be selected and installed. So for us, we are going to see the tutorials on C and C++. So for that, so we need this basic Mingw installation, and we need C++ installation. So we have selected both and go to installation, update catalog. Sorry, installation, apply changes. So now both C and C++ supporting files are being downloaded into our local machine. So let us wait for the installation to complete. So the installation is taking some time. So let us wait for a few more minutes. So this is a step-by-step procedure how we install MinGW into our local machine. So now let us close this particular pop-up. So now we have completed our first step, that is installation of Mingw. So the first two steps we have completed, downloading and installation to work with C and C++, select the checkboxes. We have already selected the checkboxes. So now we need to set the environment variable. That is, we have downloaded or installed the C and C++ toolset in our local machine. Now we need to give the environment variables to the OS saying that we have the C and C++ installed in our system in this particular location, so that it will make a registry. So now we have completed our first two steps, that is downloading the Mingw and selecting the C and C++ checkbox with installation. Now to recognize the C and C++, we need to set our environment variables intimating OS like this is the particular location where the C and Mingw is available, so that C and C++ can be accessible. Right? Now let us go to my computer and set the environment variables. Right click on this PC, properties, you can follow the same path, my computer, right click OK, properties, change settings, advanced, environment variables and system variables. So this is the location we need to go. So we are into this particular window. Now we can select either change settings or advanced system settings. So I'm selecting change settings. Go to advanced, click on environment variables, and within the system variables we need to go to path. So here we need to give the location where the Mingw is available. So let us go to path, edit, and click on new, and here we need to give the location of the Mingw. So to get the location of the Mingw, let us go to C drive where we have installed the Mingw and open bin. Copy this particular location and give the location here. Click on OK and then click on OK. Now we have set the environment variable for the Mingw. Let us see whether the installation is successful or not with our fourth step. So we have done the third and fourth step. Now let us see whether the installation is successful by checking this particular command, that is gcc -- version. We need to give this command in our command prompt and see whether we are getting the version of the GCC. So we are into our command prompt. GCC space -- version. Now we should get the version of the GCC. And we can see here, right, Mingw 9.2.0 is the version we are using currently. So the Mingw is successfully installed in our local machine. If you have any questions or clarifications, you can drop the comments in the comment section so that I will respond to your clarifications.